Do you remember what percent we agreed on?
I don't remember. Around 10 to 20,
We said it was gonna be around 15.
15%. Okay, yes.
Yes, very good. And of course, like we talked last time was we'll start with 15, and if we are doing a good work and we are growing, while I grow and my company grows, you grow with me, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
that is
told
what you
you.
said to me. Yes, yep, yep. I remember that.
So it's always opportunity of growing. I was still hunting and hunting. I just came from my vacation, like I told you. Been doing outreach while I was in my vacation. But yeah, now I'm back home and full in again. So here we are.
That's really great. That's really great. So, how are you hunting basically? Are you hunting them over LinkedIn or you have a CRM? You're making calls. What do you basically do?
I'm making cold calls, and now I'm gonna start doing cold email outreach also.
Okay, you have any setup for the cold email outreach, or are you going to use any tools for that?
Right, I will do personalization in the start, just research and personalization, and then afterwards I will maybe use tools like instantly or something to send more out. But yeah, right now we'll be using more personalization to get more personal, between the company.
Got it. If you need any help with instantly, I can do that. I have it. I know someone who can help you out with the setup and all that with email copywriting if you want
All right,
in
very
future.
good. So yeah, like I told you, just to go over what we talked about last time was you had 6 year of experience, you said, right?
Yes.
And you're from Bangladesh,
Mm-hmm.
and you currently have one client. You're working with one client, right?
Yes, part time. Yep.
Very good. So, and you said you accepted to work on a per client basis?
Yes, that is what you said to me last time.
Yes. And do you remember what percent we agreed on?
I don't remember. Around 10 to 20,
We said it was gonna be around 15.
15%. Okay, yes.
Yes, very good. And of course, like we talked last time was we'll start with 15, and if we are doing a good work and we are growing, while I grow and my company grows, you grow with me, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
that is
told
what you
you.
said to me. Yes, yep, yep. I remember that.
So it's always opportunity of growing.
Definitely.
Very good. So are you then ready for it to join the team?
Yes, I'm ready for it. I'm waiting for the contract. If you are ready to onboard, then send me the contract. No worries.
Of course. So
You have
can
my
you
email?
just can you put in the chat your email? Can you also give me? I need to know just your full name
Yeah, sure.
and physical address.
Should I send it in this meeting or you're on your messenger on your Facebook?
Just send it in the chat of here in the Zoom.
Okay. So that's my email. The address. Here you go. You got it?
Yes, just give me a
So,
moment. I'm gonna fill everything out and all that.
oh, it's not allowing me to type more, I guess. Why
What?
not? Give me a moment. There is a typing mistake, but like this. Yes, now it's
Ah,
fine.
no problem.
Yes, now it's fine. Researching something?
I'm just filling everything out here.
How was your vacation, by the way?
It was very good. Good to be in the sun a
You
little bit, and
you were alone or you were with your friend?
I went with my girlfriend and family.
That's great. That's great.
Yes.
Is it like far away from your home or how far was it?
Yeah, it was around 5 hours of applied.
Oh, great. 5 hours flight. That's actually so too far.
No, it was good. And the difference of the weather is crazy for the difference of like it's only 5 hours. And here it's -9 right now degrees.
Mm-hmm.
And where I was yesterday was 30 or 35.
Okay.
So it's a lot of difference. Mm.
Why? What happened? You're laughing.
I just find funny how everywhere in the world the addresses are so long. Then here in Iceland it's like one word.
Okay.
I find funny the difference. All right, I think it's almost done. I don't know what's happening with it. Like my internet is not that good.
Are you doing it on DocuSign?
Yeah, right now, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it in docs right now. All right, so it's done. I'm just gonna send you now email.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Does it work for you to send it through docs?
It's gonna work. And you're gonna pay end of the month or bi-weekly?
It's gonna be always end of the month.
And which platform you're gonna use to pay the payment? Wise?
You
Is it
said you
Wise?
wanted Wise, right?
Yes, Wise is good for me. Yep.
Yeah, that works also for me. So,
Okay, then it's fine.
all right, now it worked. Sorry, how long it's taking? I just it didn't. It wasn't connecting with.
It's
Just
fine. No worries. Take
couldn't.
your time. Take your time. No rush. I'm
Oh,
here.
okay.
I can wait. No worries. What time there right now?
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, 9 o'clock in the morning. You were in
I'm in,
Iceland or you were in Spain?
I'm in Iceland right now.
Iceland.
Was it was is the time over there in Bangladesh?
Right now it's 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Nice. I think this should work. I sent you the link of the docs.
Okay. Let me check my email. Yep, I just got it.
Very good.
Do you want me to sign it back?
Yeah, just send it and send it back.
Okay. Let me sign it back. At the bottom, I put my name there.
Yes, next to mine, right?
Yes, you can check it now. I think you have the access of that link.
Yes, I'm checking it. Very good. So that's all now. Just gonna create a PDF out of it, save it, and if you want, I can send you a PDF so you can save it also.
Yeah, you can send it to me, no worries. So just we are now waiting for the client to onboard, correct?
Yes, now I'm just working on the outreach and then start working.
Yeah, let's jump in. So just to clarify, we're targeting the USA market and right now and later on we may expand the market in the Europe, correct? That's the plan?
Exactly as the plan.
Got it. Okay. Any specific states you're targeting or you're targeting all over the USA?
I will be in the start at least just going more overall. I'm not gonna be watching a lot in the states. You know what states?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe later on, if I see it's something good to target any state, I will go into that.
Okay.
So your name, this is your full name, Moniruntin Ahmed, but you're called Monir.
Yeah, my short name is Munir. Okay, because
All right,
people cannot pronounce my full name. That's why Munir is fine.
all right.
It is kind of difficult to pronounce the full name.
Yeah, it's easier to say Monir.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna send you now an email with a PDF of it.
Okay.
I just check if you already got it. I just sent it.
Okay. Let me check it. Yes, I just got it now.
Very good. So that's all.
Thanks a lot. And before we end the meeting, let me tell you, once you onboard the client, take around like 4 or 5 days so that we can work on the ad campaign, take the Facebook page access, ad account access, the details, the requirement, the target, the ad budget, how much they can ready to spend, the demographic area, the miles. Okay, those are the things, photos, videos, those are the things we need.
Exactly.
Okay.
Very good. So welcome to a team then.
Yes, I'm looking forward to working for you and onboard the client as soon as possible.
Exactly. I will be working on that. Like I told
Okay,
you, I'm creating a new agency, so looking to build something big out of it, and looking
sure.
forward to work together and build something big.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
All right.